Is that Suarez? All right, Mr. Suarez, do you need to speak to him first, counsel? And counsel, you're on this side. Good morning. All right. So your attorney has informed me that was recently hired. So the last time we were here, there was some discovery issue with his criminal history, something about his criminal history.
We do have his NCIC, TCIC in the file.
Okay. All right. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to give you one more setting for discovery.
Thank you, Judge.
And state at this date, you need to be prepared to tender an offer.
Yes, Judge.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset, October 20th.
That's fine.
All right, so what's going to happen is you're going to come back on October 20th. By then, hopefully your counsel will have all the discovery and the state is going to tender an offer to you. Once they've tendered an offer to you, I'm going to give you another reset date so you can consider that. And that next date will be your plea deadline date. And if things are not worked out by that date, then your next setting is going to be a jury trial date. Do you understand? Do you have any questions about anything?
No.
All right, so we'll have you brought back. If you're still in custody, you'll be brought back on October 20th.
Okay.
All right, thank you.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
Judge.
counsel. Yes. Who is it? Okay. All right, thank you. All right, David Huff.
I am. We're not getting a date.
Just one second. All right. So this is where he's going to be released to go to a different county.
So Judge, he was given a PR bond, I believe, over in Howard County. Howard County refused to come pick him up to resolve the outstanding cases. So I do have something that I would like to present to the court.
Yes.
Possibly go ahead and release Mr. Huff, have him report to his CSO within 24 hours of his release. Report weekly, submitting weekly UAs, for him to get a chance to address his pending charges. We would request the reset date for self-surrender for state ISF for 3 weeks, just to see if the cases have been resolved. They have not been resolved, then.
And what cases does he have in Howard County?
Judge, it's an unauthorized use of a motor vehicle case, and I can provide a little insight, Judge.
Yes.
He's reconnected with his family members. There is a strong likelihood, based on my conversations with my client, he was in custody at this time, and his brother might have provided an ID or something, so it's potentially a case that should go away. But we didn't know about it. It wasn't fitting. My client wasn't aware about it because it wasn't his case to know about, Judge.
All right, just 1 second, because I don't like cases to be out there and not solved. Could I see someone from the state? On this case, he's supposed to be going into inpatient treatment, but he can't go because of Howard County. Howard County said they're not picking him up.
Okay.
So is there any way you can get in contact with the prosecutor in Howard County just to let them know what we're doing here, and maybe they will dismiss his case?
Okay.
So is that possible?
I can try to reach out to somebody. Sure.
All right, so let's see if we can get this solved today.
I might ask, could you potentially consider holding holding in abeyance and letting him do it at intensive outpatient, Judge? My client has been doing some work in the jail and has to have an update there as well.
Let me tell you the reason why I have issues with that. And it's just based on things that have happened in the past. People always do well when they don't have controlled substances readily available. So first, I still do what's being suggested, but first let me see if the prosecutor can talk to the prosecutor in Howard County to see if they can get that dismissed. If the answer is no, then I will consider what you all are recommending. And the reason why is because they've done an evaluation and they're the professionals and they're saying that you need inpatient treatment. So let me just see what she says. She's going to call them right now and let's see, they may dismiss it.
My client is prepared to make arrangements and in touch with people like Lifetime Recovery. He's got a sober living home set up when he go. He reminded me that he has 120 days of daily sober support meetings. He's been doing that in jail.
The problem is, like with Lifetime Recovery and everything, I don't know if he'll be precluded because he has open cases in Howard. So let's just see if we can get the open cases taken care of. If we can, great. If we can't, then I'll do something else.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. But something's going to happen today.
Yeah, perfect.
All right. Thank you. All right. Jorge Luis Martinez.
I am doing that.
All right.
Sorry, I wasn't in here early because I had received notice was dismissed because he's been accepted into PTD and he started it.
Oh, yeah. No, it doesn't get dismissed till they're completed it.
I got the notice that it was dismissed.
Oh, so it's been dismissed? All righty. All right. So on the system, it's been dismissed.
Yes.
All right. Thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I hope you've learned some things. All right. Don't come back to a court unless you're just coming back to visit, okay? All right. Have a great rest of your day.
Thank you, you too.
Yes.
I did get a hold of the district attorney in Howard County, and he said based on his review of the report, he doesn't have a problem dismissing it as long as he can get something from us with the cause number showing that he is getting sent to an inpatient treatment facility.
Okay.
So Vashon's going to send me a copy of the amendment, and then I can send it to him, and then we should be good.
Okay. Sir, if you can come down. Hello. All right. So things worked out beautifully. So they're going to dismiss your case, but they're dismissing it because we're sending you to inpatient treatment, okay? So you will be done with whatever's happening in Howard County.
And I'll talk with them today. We'll make sure that they got what they need to get.
No, I'm going lifetime.
No, if they are saying ISF, however, if you want to speak with probation and if probation feels that inpatient treatment, lifetime recovery is better, then I'll consider that. But it's going to be an inpatient facility.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
And that's per your, the request for the other county in order for them to dismiss your cases.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. All right. Ruth Payne.
Morning, Your Honor.
Yes. And I'm sorry, counsel, you're on this side. Hello. Good morning. And thank you for dressing appropriately for court. I really do appreciate that. So my understanding is that you've signed for PTD.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. So we're going to bring you back on October 20th. So just make sure you follow whatever conditions they're setting for you. Okay. All right. Do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am.
All right. Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yes.
That's great seeing you.
Oh, once you sign the reset, it's already ready. Mr. Rios,
Yes, ma'am.
you need to show your video, sir. All right. So probation will be contacting you.
Yes. Yes.
All right. So you're excused.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Your Honor.
Yes.
May I approach that?
Yes.
I just got a text from my advocate that the victim did get back with her, and the victim said she paid $1,000 out of pocket.
All right. If you could call Mr. Rios to come back in.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I just
That's okay.
got it.
No problem. The state is saying they just received a message from the complainant. And does she have documentation? Yes. Okay, Deputy Laura, I was watching a documentary. Who do you think, or what animal do you believe is probably not violent, just cute, fluffy, wouldn't harm anybody? Oh, well, that's because you adopted a possum, but a panda. Do you know a panda almost took a guy's leg off? Well, you know what the guy said? People need to remember it's panda bear, but they look so cute and fluffy, like they would, just sitting around, chilling, eating vegetation. But when you look at their teeth, strong. Yeah. You don't think hippo is fast, but they are. And do you know they say in the wild kingdom, nobody messes with the hippo. I don't know if because they bring much to society by building roads, or it's because they showed a video where I think it was an alligator or either a crocodile trying to hurt a baby hippo. Crocodile did not survive. Charles, I'm worried about LSU's offense. But if you see Cornelius, give him a hug. And somebody needs to hug Notre Dame too, because they're like, oh, there's a lot of pressure on kickers.
It was a good game though.
Oh, it was.
Yes.
Mine is that it was an up and down situation.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Are the parties here on? All right. Court is calling 2022 CR 2755 State versus Luttrell Miles. Could I have parties announced for the record?
Lauren Espinoza for the state.
Andrea Matos for the defense.
And are you Mr. Luttrell Miles?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Luttrell Miles who was placed on community supervision in 2022 CR 2755 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance, penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams, on July 13, 2023 for a term of 8 years? Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, state's proceeding on violated condition number 4 of the supplemental MTR, which reads,
All right, just one moment. Does anyone have a copy of the supplemental? I don't have that. All right, thank you. Mr. Miles, did you review the supplemental report?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state you may proceed.
Violated condition number 4, in Bexar County, Texas, the defendant Latrell Miles did then and there fail to report to the supervision officer as directed for the months of December 2023, January, February, March, April, and May of 2024 in violation of condition number 4.
How do you plead to that, true or not true? All right,
We would waive all others, Your Honor. And then as for an agreement, we would ask that you grant state's motion to revoke, sentence Mr. Miles to 3 years in TDC, and as well as take into consideration clause number 2025 CR 005391.
I'm sorry, could you repeat the cost number?
2025 CR 005391.
Right. And defense?
Yes, Your Honor, that is our understanding of the agreement. We ask that you follow that recommendation by the state and probation and follow the agreement.
All right, you want to raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
That's Robert Shea Miles.
All right, why have you not been successful on probation?
And I was put on, when I was giving me his probation, I'm a plumber, doing the UA testing in the morning every day to go to work. I wouldn't be able to go out to go to work and I wouldn't be able to provide. So I thought.
You didn't even report.
I did 3 times. The lady, she told me that I have to call, and I'm a plumber. In the morning, we have to go out to work. I can't. I mean, if I would have been able to do it in the afternoon, yes, I could have made waves, but in the morning, I couldn't.
So here's the question. Why do people think when they're on probation, it means that they don't have to report? I don't understand that, because here's the thing. When you're on probation, you're not like regular people in the sense that you can just go do whatever you want to do. Otherwise, people would place people on probation and say, just don't pick up another case, which they're taking something into consideration. So it appears that you picked up a new case as well.
Yes, I did.
So you had time to pick up a new case, but you didn't have time to report or call your probation officer.
I understand it's a privilege of being on probation, ma'am. I've been in drug court before. I understand.
All right. So let me just explain something to you. I am going to grant the motion. I am going to revoke you. But if you continue on the path that you're continuing on, you're either going to end up at somebody's prison for the rest of your natural life, or either somebody's going to come out and identify your body, because the last time you use is going to be maybe the last time you use. You understand?
I understand. Ma'am.
All right. The court is going to grant the motion, revoke, taking consideration 2025 CR 005391, sentence you to 3 years in the prison. And are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, I am.
And are you asking the court to follow this agreement?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. The court will give you credit for any time served. I'm going to request the therapeutic community. The therapeutic community does not increase the time that you're in custody. So, for example, you've received 3 years. I've followed the agreement that you've reached. If they are working with you in the therapeutic community and they say, your 3 years is up, but we want to spend more time working with you, they don't get to keep you. The most time you can get is 3 years. That's it. And if you are paroled before 3 years, they don't get to say, we don't want him paroled. We want him to continue working with this class. The therapeutic community is just designed to give you tools. So hopefully you will be able to control your addictions and be sober. You understand?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And I'm sorry, one other thing that I'm going to order is no unsupervised contact with minors. Oh, I'm so sorry. The correct cause number for the case that's being taken in consideration is 2025 CR 005391. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Joe.